Dear ones, this is our best format, created by you, for you, and thanks to you. We're cooking from your, let's not be afraid to admit it, Staba. Crazy, wild, weird, surprising. How should I put it?
We're cooking with things that you eat, that you've tried, that you like, but for others they might seem totally weird, incomprehensible, and even, judging by some comments, disgusting.
In the previous episode, well, I think Krzysztof really broke the system, let's be honest, but your comments also broke the system because out of 5, we really liked 4 of them. We hope it's the same this time. Staba reads the nickname. If you are the guy who wrote that comment, let us know in the comments. You won't get anything, but you'll write a comment.
Oh, we're starting strong because Grabars 8-3, Brodati 9-7. Roast a whole head of garlic, about 15 to 20 minutes. Melt the chocolate, peel the garlic, and dip the cloves in the chocolate. Let them sit until the chocolate sets. They taste like pralines. Tested?
I hate pulling out this garlic. I'm going to burn myself.
You have something against hot things.
I know, because you know what? When I worked in England in a kitchen, I was called the concrete hand. I could just pull almost trays out of the oven with pizza with my bare hands. And I think it stayed with me, and I still struggle with it. But I guess I toughened up back then, and now I haven't worked in a while. We don't take prisoners, Staba. How delicious.
Hey, but it wouldn't taste good with it raw.
I don't know, it's some kind of sweet potato, but we'll eat it like last time. We'll build up the suspense.
Will it solidify at that temperature?
Then put it in the fridge and we'll eat it at the end.
No.
Every other one, read it.
Carmel Wojcik 3618. Try toast with peanut butter and sliced pickles sprinkled with a pinch of salt.
We have toast from cheap bread that crumbled. Is that it?
Wait. Yes.
Pickled cucumber. I really like them. And a pinch of salt on top, right?
Yes. Let's see if this is it or not, but it sounds like it could work.
Yeah, it sounds like something Americans would eat, right?
Although I thought it would be with sugar, right?
Damn, I'm not a fan of peanut butter. It definitely goes together, but it's just not my taste, that's all. Peanut butter is so dry and filling for me.
Yeah, that's why the cucumber is moist.
That's why this moist cucumber works. Are you going to eat that?
Yes, just with less peanut butter.
In terms of whether it's a hit or a miss, it just comes out in the middle. Wait, it's not a miss, but you have to like it. You have to like peanut butter because even in the amounts I used, and I used a bit more than I should have, it really comes through strong, and with less it would come through a bit less, but still strongly.
In my opinion, it's made in such a way that the dry ingredients win out a bit over the cucumber, but it holds its own nicely and it works. It's well matched. It's not an amazing flavor, but it's an interestingly balanced combination.
If you like those cucumbers, if you like peanut butter, you'll like this kind of sandwich. Give me the next comment.
Banana-like. Scrambled eggs made only with eggs and sugar. The end?
No, I really want scrambled eggs. Will you make them? Okay, but Staba, things are a mess, and it's only the second way. Wait, my sugar disappeared somewhere.
But I already sugared it, and there it is.
Did you sugar it while making it?
No!
How much did you put in?
1.5 teaspoons. Banana-like, there are 4 eggs here, and while making it, 1.5 teaspoons of fine sugar, and we're checking. Do you want more sugar? Maybe something else?
No, I'll tell you what it is. Because I'm eating it. He got scared like a grandpa. The eggs smell awful. I can't stand it. They smell like chicken butt.
But I don't taste any sugar at all.
Seriously, like Staba. Tastes like an omelet. Just already bitten.
No, sugar is a no.
Doesn't it sit well with you?
No, it doesn't sit well with me.
All right, for me?
I agree that it's kind of omelette-like, but no, it's sugar, unfortunately.
For me, this is a straight path to an omelet. It could work. It makes sense. But the brain says, hold on.
Because our whole lives we've been taught that it's salt, and now someone comes along with sugar?
Exactly.
But okay, so the banana-like one kind of divided opinions here. I'm not hating on it, but it's just not for me.
In the previous episode, there were a lot of products to which we added sugar, and they changed a lot, right? Yeah, and a lot of sugar went in there, yeah. In those categories, Krzysztof was blown away, and we said it was better. That's how we're going to eat. This is only for omelet lovers, and that's it. If your omelet fails because you can't flip it, try sweetening it instead of salting. It can still be eaten that way. There's no more story. Right now there are 2 dishes. The third is in the fridge. Let's go with the 4th one.
Marcelina Nowaka 9697. Dumplings with meat from Biedronka, topped with melted butter and sprinkled with sugar.
All right, go ahead. Let's change the comment. Give me the next one. These are still building.
Gauska0983. Scrambled eggs with yellow cheese, banana, salt, and honey on top.
They're mistreating us. These scrambled eggs are a ripoff. That's what I think. I don't know why, but scrambled eggs annoy me. I have this habit from the kitchen when I was a cook that whenever someone ordered an omelet from me, it drove me crazy because I hated making it. And that's something, these scrambled eggs and omelets, that's my trauma, you know? I'm just moving forward here. I don't have time for nonsense. I'm in a rush because my son called me crying that he's hungry. He said, Dad, I don't have any food at school.
And his father hasn't finished eating yet.
And do you know what's the worst part? I eat all day, my wife's on a 3-day business trip, and the kids keep saying, Dad, I'm hungry. What does that even mean? That's why I do it quickly.
And Claimer does, but I don't.
And I beg you, please understand me.
Okay, and in what order do you want it? When do you want to throw the cheese, for example?
Yeah, we're making scrambled eggs. What's happening? I'm already juggling 3 things, Staba, and the kid's starving.
I'm making scrambled eggs, adding dumplings and melting butter.
Beautiful banana preparation. And you mentioned yellow cheese, right?
If I have to be honest, yes.
All right, half of it will be stretchy and half will be crunchy. Bananas. They have yellow cheese. Okay, give them 4 eggs. 1, 2, 1, 2. Staba, it's been a while since we had this much chaos. We apologize, but this episode is very hardcore. All right, here's what I'll do. I'll leave 3 yolks for the end, just the whites from them. I cut it, and now when the egg white is set just right, like I think it is now, I go bam, 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 and I gently spread everything over. Ah, go ahead.
Banana.
I really believe in that.
And where's the honey? And for me, that's already different than scrambled eggs with sugar.
It's lying there. The brown cheese, because I put it on the pan, does the trick. When you taste that burnt flavor from the cheese, it really adds and boosts the taste. The banana gives a nice fruity sweetness. The egg is totally neutral. It's kind of like a batter, and then there's that honey on top.
All right, and this is sweet scrambled eggs, and I can say it's sweet scrambled eggs?
Okay, I take it back. Don't eat this. This is complete.
This is easy to eat and brag about. Attention, Marcelina Nowaka 9697. Dumplings with meat from Bidronka served with melted butter and sugar, not salt, which is the usual topping. And here we have sugar.
There are dumplings.
There is butter.
Hey guys, now's a great time to leave a comment. Your favorite recipes. Don't worry, we test everything ourselves.
If you think only you eat a certain recipe, write it down. You'll find others in the comments who eat it the same way and were also hesitant to share.
Please provide more details, like proportions, quantities, and what to mix together.
Maybe the temperature if cooking is needed?
Maybe you'll manage to do something.
All right, but this has sugar, which surprised me. Salt makes sense, but sugar on meat?
Very mediocre dumplings.
I think I'll take the risk. Now I'm just sitting calmly like we've stopped running around. Maybe that's better than with salt.
No, definitely not worse.
But these are meat dumplings. It fits. Or maybe that's the next conspiracy theory, that they always told us that meat goes with salt, salt goes with meat. And you know what? Maybe sugar goes with meat, but no one ever told you.
Maybe.
Marcelina Nowaka just said sugar goes with meat, so what will you do? You'll try it?
You'll try it. So we agree on 4 that it might work, right?
For me, absolutely, but I'm actually surprised that it suits me so well.
And I'm coming back. For something that...
Was there at the beginning, and as they say, the last will be first.
Krzysiu.
Hey!
It's cold, but that's fine. Grab a fork now.
Let me say this, it's really yellow here. Should I try it?
Try it. Unfortunately, it'll already be cold.
Well, it's a good egg from the gym.
Wait, cover your ears and turn around.
La 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 la.
No matter what he says, we'll agree that he guessed it.
Already?
All right, do you like the taste?
Yes, but it's just a regular egg. Scrambled eggs?
No. Amazing. Hey, this guy is awesome. Because let me tell you what happened. Instead of salting it, we sweetened it.
No, do you guys feel the difference?
I mean, that's something an egg always lacks, and that's it. All right, can it work?
No.
No, all right. I mean, you could have told me it was salt. We're changing the order because I feel that this is warm here. So take the second scrambled eggs.
Gosh, I'm a little scared here.
No, here properly, take it with the filling. Oh, like a good mushy omelet. No, here it is. Here in the back is the winter omelet, right?
Oh, delicious. Cheese, cheese. cheese.
But toast cheese, the kind that's peeled off the Teflon, that kind. Together with the Teflon.
Oh my gosh.
Delicious, isn't it?
This is, I can't even, that was just wild. And I'll say pretty close. Really, I just can't even.
Wait, you've got something stuck here. Could you knock it off so we're number 3?
I'll tell you. The cucumber in this sandwich ran away like the water in the fight with Tyson. The peanut butter dominates. This is an overpowering sweet. The cucumber doesn't get in the way, but it's not like, wow, it changes everything either. At first, it's refreshing for a moment, and then, oh, like a digger, like a cement mixer.
Excuse me, let me hold the sandwich, take a bite.
There's no delay.
There's friction. I can feel the friction.
Oh dear, it's dry, really dry.
So the cucumber saves the day?
Yes, right now, but it doesn't significantly change the taste.
Not every vegetable works here. For example, a tomato wouldn't.
It wouldn't work, yes. Cucumber is kind of acceptable.
Yeah. No dumplings with meat?
A cube from the broth.
Do you realize that Shichu had broth cubes at home?
He's the other way around.
He had it frozen, and now he's taking it out.
This liquid here, I would use it to separate the dumplings. I wouldn't add it to this, you know, because they're always like that.
D40.
Now pay attention. Now lean under the table here and take a sip.
Oh yeah? Oh, that's 40.
This is butter with sugar.
Butter tastes awful on its own. Oh my God. Dank, kind of like rubber. Wait, that's so weird. Don't tell me these are capers.
Matsuha, I didn't expect that.
You guessed it.
And I hate capers
How did you even sense that?
because I don't eat that flavor and it was present here in this house.
And that's why I remember it. But it's terrible.
I sense capers in this house. That's a twist. Those aren't capers.
All right, again, no, they're not, Kazishu. We had this plan that we would always agree with whatever you say.
But we forgot throughout the whole episode.
What is this?
Take another. No, watch. Put it in your mouth. It starts sweet, but changes completely.
Your urine smells bad afterward.
Culinary charades.
No, they're green, and they come in a green version and a white version.
Listen, it's huge.
It all sticks together badly.
Not mistletoe?
Listen, write in the comments what Kazishu is thinking. Starting with A.
Asparagus.
We got it, but it worked. He guessed it, Dan. Do you eat a lot too?
Yes.
And how did you know?
By the hair, they're hard to chew, right?
We have a plot twist?
Isn't it asparagus?
No.
No, don't tell me. Okay, seriously, I give up.
Be careful. Give me your hand.
No.
This is garlic.
What are you talking about?
Garlic. We're saying garlic.
Wahaluk garlic.
There's no way. Hey, but you know, it's actually cool for the kids to wrap all the garlic.
Guys, as usual, if you enjoyed this episode and if you laughed even once, just once, then leave a thumbs up and commit to writing a comment. Either something like Staba is awesome, Kazichu is awesome, Claimer is awesome, or something about these
Dishes.
your own damn
Recipes.
recipes. Regarding your weirdest, craziest, funniest, or maybe delicious recipes, we will test them.
Bye.
Greetings to my dad.